Namaskar. To celebrate the 75th year of India's independence and Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, under the able guidance of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, Har Ghar Tiranga campaign has been taken up across the country. As a part of this campaign, national flag will be hoisted in 20 crore houses of the country from August 13th to 15th August 2022. Accordingly, in our state also, initiative has been taken to hoist the national flag in every household. I appeal to all the people of the state to come forward to make this campaign a success and strengthen our sovereignty and feeling of patriotism. The tricolor national flag is our national pride. It signifies our patriotism and the spirit of nationalism. That is why, to consolidate our patriotic feeling, this program has been taken up. As citizens, we are all liable to honor and protect the dignity of the national flag, because the tricolor national flag is a symbol of the nation's sovereignty, pride, patriotic feeling and great sacrifice. I once again appeal to you all, let us join hands together to take part in this great campaign and uphold the ideology and dignity of the national flag. Jai Hind. Namaskar.